Red Clay Music Foundry is the home to Eddie Owen Presents, OMP Live, and the newest location for the Gwinnett School of Music. Red Clay is a music venue and educational facility that nurtures musicians of all ages, styles, and levels of ability. The collaboration of Eddie Owen Presents, OMP Live, and the Gwinnett School of Music affords us the opportunity to offer special workshops and seminars. We offer private music instruction through the Gwinnett School of Music and collaborative ensemble-based programs. Students have several year-round weekend and summer programs from which to choose. Red Clay's 7,000 square foot facility houses private lesson and rehearsal rooms, a 260-seat theater, green room and dressing rooms, and an innovative music learning room called Jam Lab. Jam Lab is a student's own personal practice space equipped with innovative learning tools and practice facility. Write and record songs, work on instrument and vocal techniques, all at your own pace. Jam Lab makes practicing fun again. I've been honored over the years to watch blossom some very fine, talented, and successful songwriters and performers. Some of these acquaintances have become long-time lasting friendships that I'll have the rest of my career. Indigo Girls, Sean Mullins, John Mayer, Sugarland, Zach Brown, and the Civil Wars, just to name a few. Eddie Owen Presents at the Red Clay Music Foundries offers a songwriters open mic every Sunday night and weekly shows, all in beautiful downtown Duluth. For information on our music school, workshops, and live concerts, visit the Red Clay Music Foundry's website at eddieowenpresents.com or call 678-892-6373.